short though. Let him go.
Done. Well, that's a nice one. We ain't got no net, so we're gonna have to finagle him to the boat. Get over here, buddy. Yeah, you probably got to be in the 30s. I don't know. Yeah. Turn around, buddy. Turn around. Turn around. Right. That's a nice redfish. End the game with a float. Get over here. Oh, turn around. Uh-oh. There we go. Woo-wee. Look at that. Watch it pop off. Woo-wee. Look at that. Got to get a net for that. All right. Get a net for this guy. Get him over here a little closer. That's a big redfish. Woo-wee. Come on, baby, I got you. I got you. All I want is a picture. Ah, get off my fucking thing. Oh, I had you. Oh, uh-oh, turn around. Oh. Yeah, that's a big old redfish. Ooh, shit. Damn. Yeah, he's definitely not legal. But I'll take a good picture. Alright, let's get a look at this guy. I'm betting in the 30s. We'll measure him out anyways. I like to measure him. Yeah, it's not a bad one. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright, one good redfish. Gotta let him go. Probably gonna measure him out.